Welcome to BizQuery AI, your sovereign data analyst designed to put enterprise-grade intelligence directly on your desktop and mobile. By running entirely offline with a local LLM, we ensure your sensitive business data stays private and secure on your own hardware. Simply upload your files and ask questions in plain English, no coding or SQL expertise required. From interactive charts to automated business narratives, BizQuery transforms your data into strategic decisions, instantly and securely.
In this case study, the Revenue Operations Manager is looking to evaluate the financial efficiency of a very specific segment of the business, customer accounts acquired in the UK during the 2025 calendar year. Specifically, they want to see if the overhead of physical product fulfillment via DHL is eating too deeply into the net margins of software products that have already been heavily discounted, greater than 10%. This multi-conditional analysis helps identify whether specific promotional marketing campaigns, when combined with premium shipping carriers, inadvertently create hidden cost centers that erode unit profitability. Based on the processing of the underlying data files, the result returned compresses thousands of multi-layer data points into a singular, highly accurate operational metric. The average order shipping cost column represents the mean shipping fee incurred per transaction for the exact cohort requested. Instead of forcing the user to manually filter a spreadsheet, align dates, drop churned accounts, and calculate averages, the AI automatically computes this KPI. To generate this single metric, the underlying system performed a multidimensional relational join across customer profiles, product lines, and order transactions. A frequent hazard in data analysis when combining tables with one-to-many relationships is row explosion, which duplicates transactional rows and distorts averages. The result shows that the platform successfully avoided this, precisely isolating only the 9 specific orders that met all 5 rigorous criteria. Logistics provider is DHL, product category is software, geography is the UK, discount threshold is greater than 10%, and customer acquisition date falls between January 1st and December 31st, 2025. Surfacing an average shipping cost of 41.99 highlights that even for software products, which may include physical installation kits, security tokens, or localized offline documentation, regional delivery via premium couriers introduces a major fixed transaction cost. This localized insight provides the RevOps and financial planning teams with the precise data required to make high-impact strategic decisions. Knowing that it costs an average of $41.99 to ship these specific promotional orders, management can see that thin-margin software tiers might become unprofitable when a discount greater than 10% is applied. RevOps can use this insight to implement a minimum order value (MOV) requirement before such discounts are triggered. The team can now contrast this 41.99 average against other carriers present in the dataset, for example, FedEx or local postal services, for the exact same cohort. If alternative carriers fulfill these orders at a lower rate, the company can update its automated warehouse routing rules for UK software shipments. This high delivery cost serves as clear justification for the product and marketing teams to phase out physical fulfillment kits for discounted promotional tiers, shifting those cohorts entirely to cloud activation or digital-only downloads. Because this cross-departmental audit combines customer acquisition dates, marketing, contract discounts, sales, and fulfillment bills, logistics, it involves highly sensitive corporate data. Executing this analysis locally on the user's machine ensures that strategic margin auditing remains completely private and secure from external network exposure.
The Analyze Results feature performs deep analysis by identifying trends, anomalies, and actionable business insights from the data. It returns a structured narrative that explains the why behind the numbers, transforming raw query results into strategic recommendations. BizQuery AI Data Analyst now introduces interactive dashboards and scheduled reporting. Save important query results as visual widgets on a customizable dashboard grid, allowing you to monitor key business metrics instantly, without rerunning queries. Automate query execution on recurring schedules, daily, weekly, or monthly, with support for CSV and PDF exports, threshold-based desktop alerts, persistent KPI monitoring, and automated business insights. Transform your raw data into a proactive AI-powered analytics workspace with real-time visibility and intelligent reporting workflows. Stop wrestling with complex SQL and waiting on IT. With BizQuery AI, you can audit performance and uncover operational friction using simple English queries. Get instant, deterministic insights and professional charts directly on your desktop or mobile. Deploy locally today and transform your spreadsheets into a sovereign central brain.